Okay, hello, greetings and welcome. So this particular talk is on secular Buddhism. And is it real or isn't it? Is there any value in intellectualizing Buddhism in such a way and deleting anything that can't be scientifically validated by an academic? Well, I think the answer is pretty obvious to anyone who's practiced Buddhism. The first thing you want to do is go to a real teacher. Now, a real teacher is someone who, like an arahant, who has developed the psychic abilities, who has touched nibbana, and when that teacher talks, they talk about putting the gates of the mind into equanimity. They lead people into that equanimity in each gate. They lead them into direct experiences with the spiritual world, and they move people's mind up the vibrational scale towards nibbana. And a select few who follow these arahants attain nibbana, and they too will talk about the spiritual world and so forth, and the spiritual beings that exist there. So to save time, basically ignore academics. They have very little understanding of Buddhism because they're bound by the intellect. Buddhism is a balance of the intuition and intellect harmonizing together to have spiritual experiences and ascend. When you're bound by the intellect, your mental space is very small, your view is very small, and your experiences will be very small, and hence your understanding of Buddhism will be very small. Even though it will sound good, it's actually not. Thank you. Perfect. So when you're engaging in a spiritual path, go to people who understand the path, have direct experience with it, and have achieved very high levels, if not the pinnacle of that particular path. And in Buddhism, that's attaining nibbana, touching nibbana, and there are many arahants around Thailand that have achieved this. So go find these people and learn from them, and minimize wasting time. See you in the next video.